I thought these steam cleaners were just another TikTok gimmick, but my entire For You page lately has been filled with what people are calling CleanTok. And it's just these insanely satisfying cleaning videos, and somehow every single one of them uses a steam cleaner. And yeah, it got me. So I bought one. If you already want to check it out, you can scan the QR code on your screen, or I'll have a tag down below too. But the reason these are blowing up isn't just because they're satisfying, it's because it uses straight up steam, like super high heat. You're basically blasting dirt and bacteria with heat instead of like harsh chemicals. Oh, wonderful, look at that. Oh yeah. Which is kind of crazy if you think about it. And honestly, it's probably why people are so obsessed with it. This is the Klona handheld steam cleaner, and it comes with a bunch of different attachments for corners, surfaces, windows, basically everything. It heats up in like 3 minutes, and you literally just add water. No chemicals and no sprays, which I actually like. All right, let's see if CleanTok lied to me or not. So I tested this product on my stovetop. This works on my stovetop. I'm absolutely sold. If you have an electric stove, you can understand the appeal of a steam cleaner that will get rid of all of these like weird burnt on white crisps. But if I could just use a steam cleaner and wipe it off, that's all the easier it gets. I don't even know if that's a sentence, but you know what I mean. On my toilet, I'm sweating. Like this video if you also sweat when you clean. On my couch with a fabric stain. I'm gonna lift this up. Viewer discretion is advised. Also, no judgment. Okay, it's not as bad as I was imagining it. Also my windowsills. So after actually using this, here's my honest take. First off, it's actually really easy to use. It's lightweight, so your arm never really gets tired. And the tank lasts longer than I expected because I was able to clean both my couch and my toilet on one fill without refilling. The stovetop was absolutely my favorite. It took off like 90% of the grime and the gunk in minutes. I don't know if you can tell if it's translating in the video, but it did a very good job. All the grease was gone, especially that hard caked on stovetop stuff on an electric stovetop. But that alone is impressive. Now it's not perfect. Like my couch took a couple passes for me to get around 60 to 70% of the stain out. Just one pass through and you can already tell the difference. I think it's gonna need a couple more. Try it out again. Again, it's a really, really old stain and it's lifted about 80% of that just 2 passes. It looks a lot better in my opinion. And the toilet took a few minutes to actually break most of that down too. I know, this is a glorious shot. Welcome to my toilet. If I had one complaint, I wish that it was just a little bit stronger for those like stuck on parts, but at the same time, it still did most of the job within minutes without me scrubbing like crazy. Like normally on my stovetop, I'd be using a pumice stone for like 15 minutes, and this did most of it in 2. But hey, even just running this for a few minutes over the stovetop is eons better than wrestling it with the pumice stone. And again, all of this is just using steam, no chemicals, no sprays at all, which honestly makes me feel a lot better about using it around my house. So yeah, I get why CleanTok is a thing now. I thought this was gonna be one of those things that looks good online and just doesn't really actually work, but it made cleaning way easier and way less annoying. If you want it, just scan the QR code here or check the link in the description below before it sells out. And if you like this video or videos where I try interesting products, subscribe to Mike's Deal Finder. It's free to do, it helps me grow, and honestly, I'm always looking for new, unique gadgets, upgrades, or just things that make sense. I'll catch you in the next one.